Hey guys, it's Bob here, and in this video, our buddy Pete from Water and Ice Outdoors goes through his top 3 baits that he likes to use year-round to catch bass. From how to throw it, where to throw it, how to retrieve, he'll get you the results with these top 3 baits in this quick video. It's good stuff, so let's get going right after this. For fishing tips and tricks, and for tips on how to make money in the outdoor niche using social media, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are posted on Tuesdays and Fridays.
I'm going to give you 3 different techniques for bass fishing, 3 of my favorites that I use all year long. The first being the jerk bait. This happens to be a Strike King KVD jerk in the bone color. It's my absolute favorite. This color just crushes bass, spring, summer, and fall. What you want to do with this is find the weed lines, find a point, find a shallow hump, and you want to run this right over the top and through just the very top of those weeds. And what you're going to do is you're going to cast it out and you're going to go jerk, jerk, pause, jerk, pause, jerk, 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 pause. It's a suspending jerk bait. So meaning if you do not move it, it's going to stay at the depth that it is running at currently. My second favorite technique is the Topwater Frog. This is a Spro bronze-eye frog. However, you can use just about any topwater frog you want. And what you're gonna do with this is you're gonna find lily pads, shallow cover, muck, just that nasty algae, lily pads, straw, pencil reeds, that kind of thing. And you're gonna toss this right in there. These do not get snagged on cover, so it's the perfect thing to throw into the slop. And you're just gonna very lightly twitch it and keep some slack in that line so you can get it to zigzag. It's called walk the dog, and you are going to get some of the most insane topwater blowups you've ever had. All right, the third technique I'm going to show you is probably the most versatile of them all, and that's the Texas rig. All the Texas rig is an offset worm hook with a bullet sinker in front of it, and I put a little bobber stop there to keep the bullet sinker from flying around. And then you take any plastic you want. It can be a Senko worm, it can be a craw presentation like I have here. This is a Strike King Rage Bug, and run it through the head about 1/4 inch and run it all the way up to the shank of the hook here, and then bring the point of the hook through the butt end of the plastic, and then you skin hook it, and that creates a very weedless presentation. So again, you can throw this like your frog. You can throw it into slop, you can throw it into lay down trees on the bank or any shallow cover. That's what I use this mostly for, and docks as well. Also, when you're using a creature bait like this, or a lizard, or even a worm, you can throw this on deep points or deep weed edges and let it fall. And all you're looking is to let it fall on the bottom, let it sit there for 10 seconds or so. If nothing hits it, shake it a little bit or hop it, let it sit for 10 seconds again. And you can do that all the way back to the boat in the deep presentation. Or if you're shallow, pitch it under the dock, pitch it to trees. So what you're looking for is if a bass strikes this, your line is gonna jump or twitch. So I tend to look at my line when I'm fishing shallow, or you're gonna feel it in your rod. You're gonna feel a tap in your rod. So that's the third technique that I like. These 3 techniques should get you on bass all year long.